You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these protagonists in Wicked, The Life and Times of the Wicked Witch of the West by Gregory Maguire. English pronunciation, Elphaba. The stress is on the first syllable, okay? So it's not Elphaba. Elphaba. You have the phonetic spelling on your screen at the bottom. Elphaba. Easy once you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. And remember, Elphaba. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.